Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the account. Open Instagram, sign in, and clear recent searches so the algorithm forgets immediate context. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Clear Search History, and confirm. Next, actively follow 5-10 accounts that match your desired topics to seed the algorithm. Make sure to avoid random browsing for 24 hours so the new signals stick. These initial actions redirect future recommendations toward the interests you want. Now you refine the algorithm by controlling signals. Use specific keywords and hashtags when searching, and deliberately engage with posts that reflect the content you want more of. Save posts and tap follow from discovery pages. Those actions weigh heavier than passive viewing. Conversely, mute or unfollow accounts that push undesired topics so their influence diminishes. Once you've done this for a few sessions, Instagram's recommendations will begin shifting toward your new interaction pattern. To complete the change, keep consistent engagement for 1 to 2 weeks. Search, follow, save, and interact with relevant posts regularly. Use the 3-dot menu on suggested posts and select Not Interested to explicitly remove unwanted recommendations. This accelerates adaptation. If recommendations revert or don't update, troubleshoot by logging out and back in, clearing app cache, or testing the same behavior on a secondary account to see if the issue is account-specific. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.